And what we've lost track of is what is an apology. If you're going to ask a kid to say they're sorry, what you should do is you should tell them a few things. You should say, I want you to say you're sorry. I want you to apologize. But in that apology, you must include what you did that was offensive, how it made that person feel, how you feel by giving an apology, and what you hope they're going to feel now. That's tough, isn't it? All right. What did you do? Exactly. How do you think it made them feel? What you feel after giving the apology. And how do you feel now? If you're going to ask someone to write an apology letter, it should include those things. There should be some sort of rubric that's developed around apology. Otherwise, we have meaningless, sorry. I said I was sorry. What's wrong with them now? Here's my apology letter to the teacher. I'm sorry, I won't do that again. I say to you, if you're apologizing, I want to say, how do you feel as a result of giving an apology? You should feel crummy. You know, let's face it. You should feel like, oh, I feel better now that I've apologized, but boy, I feel crummy in the process.